So y'all excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, you ready to go to the beach?
Yeah.
Yay, my little international babies. Hey. Hi. Yay. Oh my goodness. Finally. Smile for the beautiful people. Yay. Oh. Did that make y'all day? Did that make your day? Hey. Hi. Ooh. 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 Love you. Love you. Love you. Yeah. Love you. Oh, so you trying to talk now? You trying to talk now? Oh, my boo, 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 boo. Hey. 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 What? What is it? What is it? Yeah? What is it? What you want? Oh, you saying hi again? Say hi. Okay. Oops, you think that I'm sent from above. I'm not that innocent. Y'all know I love me some Britney Spears. I left my wallet at home, but I have Apple Pay. I think I have Apple Pay. Yes, okay. Ooh, I need to ask them to make sure they take it. But good morning, beautiful people. Hope you guys are doing well. So I'm here at the nail salon. I'm about to get out the car. I need to get my nails done. I need a refill. And I was gonna get a pedicure, but I don't think I'm gonna get a pedicure just because I can do my own toes and save money and everything. So today's a travel prep day. I'm going on vacation for our anniversary, and I need to prep myself. I already got my eyebrows threaded, but I want to get them tinted just so that way I won't have to like refill them every single day. So I'm thinking about going to get them tinted, but I do have the stuff at home to do myself, so I don't know, I might just do that too. But yeah, so it looks crowded in there. I called just to see. I see people in there, so let me go ahead and get in, and I'll show you guys like it. I have little one, I have the baby here with me, so I brought Troy with me just so that way the big guy had the other two and they can get stuff done around the house without him having to tote the baby around. So anyways, let me go ahead and get in so I won't stay here long because I still have other things to do. You guys, so we are back at home now, and it's hot, y'all. Like, I need to find an edge of control that will keep my baby hairs down because they are like all over the place. But yeah, so we're home now. I just packed up Selena's stuff. I know, packing up for a dog. Never saw the day coming. Well, I'm packing up my dog, but no, she's going to a daycare. Y'all know Selena travels everywhere with us because she's just a little traveling chihuahua. That's how she do. She be living her best life. But since we're going international, of course we can't take a chihuahua. I mean, I don't know. I need to ask big guys. Packed her bags because we got to get her to the daycare soon before they close, because they close on Sundays. So we can't take her on Sunday. We have to take her today and everything. So I did my hair over last night and I am loving it. It looks fresh, feels fresh. Got my nails done over. Y'all know I am a creature of habit, so I got my ombres done again, and then I got a little design. I don't know if you guys can see. He just ate. So I got a little design, just something different. And it's just so classy and just basic. I know it's a hot mess in my room, please forgive me. But yeah, so we have our suitcases over there. Got a laundry here, so I'm about to try to get those folded up before we take Selena. And then get to packing. So you guys gonna pack with me in this vlog today. All right, let's get it. My beautiful community on Instagram, but I don't know what's going on at Walmart, but they have a huge clearance sale going on. I don't know, all these yellow tag items. I bought the kids a whole bunch of stuff, y'all, like $4.50 and stuff for $14.50. You so silly. Stuff $9.50, $6. Like I bought Tristan, I bought all the kids different stuff because this is a good sale that you don't find often. $4 for clothes, $4, $10. I don't know what's going on at Walmart, but it is insane how good of a sale these clothes are. I bought a whole bunch of stuff for them last time, so I don't know, I might leave with some more, I don't know. But $4, $7.50, $8.50, $7. Sorry to stop talking to y'all at Walmart, because when it's super crowded like that, like that's why I do not like coming out on the weekends, because it seems like everybody and their grandmas. We're gonna go home soon, boo. It seems like everybody's out and about on the weekends, and it's just super crowded. So when it's crowded like that, I don't like vlogging because it just draws attention and everything. So yeah, we're here at the mall now. The big guy ran inside because he had to go convert some cash. If you guys can guess where we're going, so if you guys can guess where we're going, I kind of gave a hint, but yeah, he just went inside to convert the money. Don't find out. So yeah, to find out what country we're going to, you just have to stay tuned or follow me on Instagram. I know I'm a vlog, but I'm probably not going to like post on stories. I don't know, just because I'm on vacation. But I really want to be present and just focus and having fun with my family during this trip. It's our 9-year anniversary, so of course I want to be present and everything. But of course I'm vlogging, you know, I got to vlog, share the experience and everything. So she's been out the country through cruises, but she's never like been out of the country like to fly and stuff like that. So really excited. We finally got their passports. We were getting a little worried because the passports came first, but their documentations they didn't come at the same time as the passports. So I was like, we need that. Well, especially for him because he's a lap baby, and when you fly with a lap baby, you have to show, you know, their birth certificate and everything. So
what's a lap baby?
The baby that sits on the lap on the airplane.
Oh, I thought you said lap.
No, lap baby. So y'all excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. You ready to go to the beach?
Yeah.
Yay, my little international babies.
See how that's fine, actually.
¿La tatúas o la maquillas?
La maquillo.
Ah. Está bien que se note.
Oh, what'd she say? What'd she say? Yeah. Thank you. So I'm sitting thought to, because I wanted to do microblading, but I'm scared of needles. So I was like, well, let me try this first. So it looks good so far. I'm ready to see how it's gonna look afterwards. Yeah, the shape looks really good. Threading Del Norte here at the mall, and my eyebrow lady, she's really good. I like her. What's your name? Juscelette. Juscelette. That's my girl. So I can't wait to see her. Okay, sorry I didn't see it. So I'm ready to see how it's gonna look once it comes off. You guys, so packing is almost there, but not quite done. So I got our clothes over here, me and Troy's stuff all pretty much packed. I don't think I need any more clothes in here. Our bathing suits, clothes. Yeah, I love this new toiletry thing I found at Walmart. So basically, like, I put my makeup over here, my contacts in, jewelry and stuff, and then my makeup brushes. Maybe I should put my makeup brushes on this side, so this can be like my beauty side. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna switch it tomorrow. And then me and the kids, our toiletries here, and then still got a few more things to put in. I put my Bible and stuff, and then got my little ring light thing, our carbon monoxide. Yes, TikTok reminded me to do it. I mean, not reminded me, but TikTok came up and I saw it and I was like, oh yeah. So got that, and then got my camera bag so we can take some photos. The kiddos are ready to go to sleep, and Joy's over there sleeping. So that's it. It is getting late. It's almost midnight, and I am physically, mentally, all the above exhausted. Like, I was gonna try to get as much as I can done, but I can't stay up another night late. Like, I'm just tired. So, but my eyebrows came out very nicely. I like how it looks fuller. What am I trying to say, filled it in. It looks really, really good. So I like it, you guys. So still got tomorrow to finish up and pack, and then we'll be heading on the road. So I'm going to try my best to edit this and get it up, but if not, then sorry y'all, just tired and still got a lot to get done. And with the baby, if he won't let me, sorry. So I'm gonna try my best. That's why if I get to bed now, I can wake up early to finish cleaning up and everything, and then we'll be good to go, because I gotta do Maddie's hair, her nails. I have to shave and just get myself ready. So still gonna be a long day tomorrow, but we're gonna get her done and get ready for this trip. So with that being said, I hope you guys had a wonderful and blessed weekend. I hope you guys have a wonderful and safe 4th of July. If you're traveling, go anywhere, be safe. Please be safe and have fun, enjoy yourself, and we'll see you guys when we come back from our trip. You can guess where we're going, guess down below. And when you see me on Instagram, or when you see the vlog, or if you're following me on Instagram, like I said, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Facebook and all that good stuff. You will know exactly where we are or where we went. All right, love you guys, be safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.